I was called out by Heidi Roussel. I accept her challenge, and I am going to donate $25 to my charity of Leukemia Lymphoma Society.
Okay.
I am also going to call out 3 people. They are Sissy Canatella, Taylor Arsenault, and I'm going to take it to the celebrity level and call out Ellen DeGeneres. So you have 24 hours to accept this challenge. If you do not wish to do the challenge, you can donate $100 to the charity of my choice, which is Leukemia Lymphoma Society, or $25 for your choice to do the challenge. Okay, so your call out.
Okay, my name is Audrey Loop, and I was challenged by Caitlin Landry, and I'm calling out Jennifer Zulli, Billy Walls, and Trey Arsenault.
Okay, here we go.
Ready?
You got it all.